Good morning. This is an art video for Mumbai Montessori Teacher Training Institute, and today I'm going to be showing you the leaf tracing. So for the leaf tracing, what we require here are two 4A size drawing book papers and two leaves like you can see, and some lovely colorful crayons. So now you can see we have placed on one sheet of paper our two leaves, and here I put another sheet of paper on top of the two leaves and I begin my tracing. Right, so let me start with the lovely pink. Like you can all see, we see the leaf can be seen through. So let's start my lovely tracing. And I'm going to take another color, lovely red, and I'm going to continue the tracing. And now I'm going to take one more color, that's the lovely blue crayon, and I'm going to continue coloring and tracing over here. We have to do this in a very neat manner, so our tracing comes out nice and lovely. And now I use a lovely green, and here is our green stem of the leaf, and over here, like you can see, so here is one leaf that we have traced with the help of four lovely crayons. And now I'm going to show you the second leaf that we are going to use in the tracing, and let's do that as well. So let's take the yellow lovely purple and start from the top. And now I'm going to take the lovely orange and continue with the tracing. Wow, how lovely it looks. Wow, these colors, so beautiful. And now we're going to take a lovely dark green and color and trace the remaining of the leaf. Here we have lovely stem, you can see, and we have lovely over here color, and this is our second leaf tracing. So you see how we got these beautiful leaf tracings. Don't they look so beautiful? Thank you.